What are electric cars' maintenance costs? Electric cars typically cost less to maintain than petrol or diesel vehicles because they have fewer moving parts and no engine oil changes, spark plugs, or complex transmissions. Average annual maintenance for EVs is around $900, approximately €820, compared to about $1,200, approximately €1,100 for internal combustion cars. Routine costs. Main expenses include tire changes, EV tires wear faster due to heavy batteries, brake servicing, software updates, battery health checks, cooling system servicing, and basic items like wiper blades. Charging costs. Home charging is cheapest, approximately €11 for a full 60 kilowatt-hour battery, while public rapid charging can cost more, approximately €27 per full charge. Cable type and charging location affect overall costs. Servicing and repairs. EV servicing is generally cheaper, approximately €180, with regular checks like brake and tire rotations and battery inspections. Battery replacement can be costly, approximately €4,500 to €13,600, but warranties often cover early issues. On a yearly basis, the total running cost for an electric vehicle that includes fuel, insurance, charging, and maintenance is around €1,100, while a petrol or diesel car cost includes fuel, insurance, and repair and totals around €2,100 per year.